In the early light of a new day, and as the sun kisses the horizon, the world stirs to life, and for our dedicated students, it's time to rise and shine. Their room is a sanctuary of knowledge, a place to dream. Each morning ritual is a promise of readiness. They greet the day with determination, for they're set to embark on a journey of learning. And, with a hopeful heart, they step outside, ready to conquer the world. Because every day is a chance to make their mark, and every lesson is a step toward their dreams.
Hey everyone, we are Team Sirungan. Join us as we dive into the vibrant world of Bicol University and the Psychology Department.
Established on June 21, 1969 by Republic Act 5521 and formally organized on September 22, 1970, Bicol University emerged from the integration of 6 educational institutions, marking the birth of the first state university in the Bicol region. Under the visionary leadership of Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, Bicol University upholds scholarship, leadership, character, and service as its core values, guiding generations of Buenos.
Bicol University, where the pursuit of knowledge meets the spirit of service, creating legacy that echoes to the hills and shores of Bicolandia. Ikaw, anong campus mo?
Welcome to the home of Phoenix!
The College of Social Sciences and Philosophy.
The inception of CSSP at Bicol University marked a significant evolution from the previous College of Arts and Sciences. Board Resolution Number 075, Series of 2004, formalized this transition, and the CSSP commenced its academic operations on January 1, 2005.
It offers different courses, and one of this is Bachelor of Science in Psychology.
The Psychology Department of Bicol University was approved on March 23, 2018 and granted the permit to operate by CHED on October 23, 2018 with Dr. Rudy Roalios as the lead proponent.
First admission of its first batch of students was in August of the year academic 2019 to 2020.
The program aims to empower students with knowledge by providing quality education to produce critical thinkers, service-oriented, and well-rounded future psychologists. They organize a range of events, programs, projects, and activities to enhance community participation among students to make positive and meaningful contributions to society.
Hi, I'm Rain. This is Hyacinth.
Hi, this is Elle.
Hello, I'm Pao.
And I'm Ivan.
So, bakit ka nag-psychology?
Learning psychology feels like embarking on a journey towards the unknown.
I took this course because
Gusto ko pong maging mental health advocate. It was a course that intrigued me kahit nung high school pa lang ako.
I'd like to utilize my skills and knowledge.
I want to impart the positive impact.
And to develop greater empathy to others.
It is a call and a responsibility na mag-iisa at tumulong sa kapwa.
I eventually took psychology because of that.
So, how was your stay in Bicol University?
We have the opportunity to participate in the annual events and activities that Bicol University offers to its students.
Among these awaited events are the BU Hata, where freshmen and sophomore students showcase a festive performance celebrating BU's foundation anniversary.
Nakakalungkot man pong isipin na ito na ang aming huling sayaw, we are forever grateful naman po to be part of this experience.
Concerts such as the A2C2, which also invites well-known artists like Rob Daniels and The Ones, and of course, the anticipated Mr. and Miss Bicol University pageant that showcased the wits and beauty of BUenos.
But of course, the events of Bicol University aren't all extravagant university-wide. CSSP also has its fair share of fun college-based events such as the Ignite CSSP Welcome Party and CSSP Pistahan and the 19th Foundation Anniversary.
As a CSSPian, sobrang na-enjoy ko po talaga ang mga pasabog at bonggang nila events, especially face-to-face siya. At sobrang na-enjoy ko po makapanood ng concert. And guess what? Nanalo din po ako ng t-shirts sa team nilang bingo.
The events were also very interactive. All students, professors, and staff engaged in fun and exciting activities. Pero, magpapahuli ba ang psychology department? Siyempre hindi. We also conducted our very own activities such as research and academic writing 101 seminar.
As students, our goals are
As big as our ambitions and as wide as our horizons, for our families, dreams, and self-manifestations.
I want to do well in our schoolworks and studies.
I want to excel and make my loved ones proud.
I want to do well for my future.
I want to improve myself and become better.
I want to learn and grow as an individual. Through the four pillars of the university, we aim to achieve these goals.
Professionally, ang inotkeyan dapat mapasa rin sa PRC board or magkaiba ang license. Isa sa mga techniques, medyo seryoso in academics, pero bakit man siya 100% purely academic? Kasi ang tao, katulong siyang needs na nagtataong balanse, principle o homeostasis pala. Na maski ang pressure sa academics grabe, pero kahit puwan mo man mag-interact, mag-socialize para mabalanse ang buhay. Seryoso pero balansyado.